In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the AVERAGEIF formula in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel so you can follow along directly in a worksheet. The AVERAGEIF function is designed to calculate the average of cells that meet one specific condition. This is especially helpful when you want to analyze only part of your data instead of averaging everything together. For example, you might want the average sales for one department, the average test scores for one group, or the average price for a certain category. To make this easy to understand, let's work with a simple sample table. You can enter 3 column headers: employee, department, and sales. Then fill in the data for 5 rows. In the department column, include a mix of values such as sales and marketing. And in the sales column, enter the matching sales amounts. This kind of small example is perfect for learning because it clearly shows how Excel checks one column for a condition and averages values from another column. Now let's find the average sales for the sales department. Enter the sample data into cells A1 through C6. After that, click an empty cell, such as E2, where you want the result to appear. In that cell, type this formula, equals AVERAGEIF, open parenthesis, B2 through B6, comma, to sales, comma, C2 through C6, close parenthesis. Then press Enter. Excel will return 66.7. That result is the average of the sales values for only the rows where the department is sales. In other words, Excel looks at the department column first, finds every row that matches the word sales, and then averages the corresponding numbers from the sales column. It also helps to understand the structure of the formula. The first part, range, is the set of cells Excel checks against your condition. The second part, criteria, is the condition itself, such as sales. The third part, average range, is the group of cells Excel will average if the condition is met. You can also make the formula more flexible by using a cell reference for the criteria, instead of typing the word directly into the formula. For example, if cell E2 contains the word sales, you can use equals AVERAGEIF, open parenthesis, B2 through B6, comma, E2, comma, C2 through C6, close parenthesis. This makes it much easier to change the department later and instantly calculate a different average without rewriting the formula. One final tip: if you ever need to calculate an average based on more than one condition, use AVERAGEIFs instead of AVERAGEIF.